Hello, my name is Ashley Chapman. I'm the Vice President of Chapman's Ice Cream. Today, we are going to make blueberry double cheesecake ice cream cake. I'm going to be using a 10-inch springform cake pan. Then I've got this beautiful sunflower mold that I'm going to make the cheesecake out of. Pull out your ice cream and fill up your springform cake pan. Now we've got the entire 2-liter blueberry cheesecake ice cream into the cake pan. You're going to work the ice cream around the pan from the middle out, making sure you get to all sides. So now that we've got a pretty flat cake pan of ice cream, pop it into the freezer. We're gonna get started on our wild blueberry sauce. Take a pot of water, about 1.5 cups of wild blueberries that have been dried. We're gonna throw a little bit of brown sugar in, a nice little drop of natural vanilla extract. Give it a quick swish. So we're just gonna leave that there for a bit. Next step we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our graham cracker crumbs. So we're gonna take about 115 to 125 milliliters of melted butter and simply just pour it in. And all we're gonna do is just mix it up until it almost forms a paste. Now that our blueberry ice cream has come down to the temperature and is very, very frozen, what we're going to do is take our butter and graham mixture, spoon it on. Now we're just gonna use our hands. We're just gonna move the graham all over the place here. So now that we have that all nice like that, we pop it back into the freezer. Now, our reduction is finally done, and as you can see, the dried blueberries are all puffed up, soft. Now we're gonna go check our ice cream. Because it's so cold, we're gonna take a little blowtorch and heat up the metal around the pan. Just gonna turn it kind of like this. Oh, and there we go. But of course, that's only half the job. So that's why I have a big piece of parchment here in the back. Flip that upside down. And then, of course, we've got to go with the blowtorch again. In the back of my nose here. Get rid of that. We're just going to flip that upside down like that. At this point, carefully add it to the serving platter right in the dead center. I am going to go fetch our cheesecake from the fridge. Now, because this is a lot more delicate than, of course, our ice cream cake, we have to really be careful when we get it on top of here. Carefully lift it up, flip, and carefully flip it onto the cookie crumbs on top of your platter. And we're gonna pass the sauce through the strainer. Pour it all over this. So I'm just gonna take these wild blueberries, put them all over the place here. Now the final last step is just a touch of icing sugar. So we're just gonna take a little sifter and let's just give it a nice little sprinkle of white. A delicious Chapman's blueberry double cheesecake ice cream cake. Enjoy.